In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export comments from Microsoft Word using two different methods. If you're working on a document that has multiple reviewers, managing and exporting comments can be incredibly useful. Whether you're preparing for a team review or need to keep track of feedback, Microsoft Word provides simple ways to export comments to a separate file for future reference. Let's walk through two methods that will help you do this quickly and easily. The first method involves using the Review tab to manually copy and paste comments. Start by opening your Word document and navigate to the Review tab at the top of the screen. Under the Comments section, you'll see the option to navigate through comments one by one. You can click on Next or Previous to jump between them. Once you find the comment you want to export, simply select the text within the comment bubble. Right-click and choose Copy. Then, open a new document or another place where you'd like to store your comments. Paste the comment text into that location. Repeat this process for all the comments you want to export. While this method is straightforward, it can be time-consuming for large documents with many comments. Now, if you want to export all comments more efficiently, there's a second method that uses the Print feature to create a document that contains only your comments. To do this, go back to the Review tab and click on the Show Markup button in the Tracking section. Ensure that Comments is checked. This will make all comments visible in the document. Next, click on the File tab, then select Print. In the Print Settings window, choose Print All Pages under the Print Range section. Under the Settings section, click on the drop-down menu where it says Print All Pages and select Print Markup. This will include only the comments and other markup in the printed or saved file. Instead of physically printing the document, you can save it as a PDF. In the Printer drop-down, choose Microsoft Print to PDF as your printer. Then, click Print and choose where to save the PDF. The resulting file will contain all the comments and markup, making it a convenient way to export everything in one go. Both methods are great, depending on how many comments you need to export and how quickly you want to get them out of your Word document. If you want just a few comments, the copy-paste method works fine. But if you need to export all the feedback at once, the Print to PDF method is the best option. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.